go to the billing area. Some more store for refreshments. Let's have a look at the soft ice is around rupees 20. Two samosas for 30, which is 15 rupees per samosa. Beverages, which is about 60. 80 rupees for a slice of pizza. So on the whole, 20 plus 30, 50, 110, 190, about so 270 rupees worth of items are placed here. And then there is this thing called as Join Our Club. So you can come down here. If you want to become an Ikea family member, click on this, give your first name, last name, date of birth, gender, PIN code, confirm password, and then finish it. So finally Ikea says see you soon. Browse and shop online anytime you like at ikea.in.